I guess we have some work to do with unboxing. Stay tuned. Oh my god. That's a lot of stuff, dude. Let's just actually lay it out of the box. So much bloody stuff made. Hey you, and welcome back. Well, I guess it's not welcome back because, well, this is the first video, the legit video on this channel. I know this is not anything, well, technically it is motorcycle related because everything that I just got is for motovlogging. So stay tuned. I will show it actually pretty quickly and then we can go over all the things. So I basically got the GoPro Hero 8. Yeah, I have to actually do it like this because my other camera, my battery is dead. And I know that sounds like excuses, but you have to do it with this face and this bald head for this video. I'm sorry. I got the media mod for it. Also, I kind of had all this in a bundle, and non pun intended, but it was like around 420 euros. So the reason why I went with the GoPro Hero 8 is because I basically have everything that I need now instead of just only the webcam. I basically have a whole setup, and I got the mounts for it, and I got another pack of mounts with for some reason. I don't know why cameras just can't ship with SSD card, but they never do for some weird old reason. And I got a screen protector for the touchscreen and also for the lens. So pretty nice, pretty cool. So ordered a Lavalier microphone for in the helmet. A pretty cheap one, was like 15 bucks or something, but so we will see how that's going to turn out. Alright, let's just unbox this. I thought I already broken it. Let's unbox this GoPro Hero 8. One of the reasons why I went with the 8 and not with the 7, I heard and looked up that the image stabilization is really good on this one. Like if you're like riding, obviously you get like jitters sometimes, and apparently this with the, I don't know if you can see it with the sticker right here. Can you actually? I don't have auto zoom. Gosh damn it, this is a scuff video. But yeah, basically what this says is hyper smooth 2.0. There are other features like obviously 4K. I don't intend to actually do that. I'm probably just going to keep it in 1080. You get slow-mo, which could be pretty cool. Obviously the hyper smooth. You have time warp 2.0. Which I have no idea what that means. You can also live stream from this. Interesting. That could actually be cool. I hate having to open it like this. I'm sorry, guys. Like, my next unboxing, if I will ever do one again, and I cry myself to sleep after this one and never upload again. Oh, nice. I actually really like how it looks. It's very stealthy. Ooh. Very nice. Alright. That's the GoPro. I'm sorry that I can't really keep it closer because then it gets blurred and I don't have it on autofocus and it... Okay, I'm just a scuffed YouTuber, alright. Leave me alone. Alright, that's the GoPro. The charger, we have the battery. Pretty nice, obviously, to have a battery with it. We also have one curved mount, which is actually the one that I wanted. Why I bought the other packs. Up next, we have the media mod for the Hero 8. Which is pretty cool. It comes with pretty cool stuff. The main thing is a microphone jack. So you don't have to route your microphone using a bulky thing on your helmet. You can just slide the GoPro in this case and use the microphone jack that is on here. It has a 35mm microphone port. It also has a directional mic, which I will just get it out of the case and then show you. One of the sad things about this is you have to remove the door from the GoPro, which makes the GoPro kind of not waterproof anymore. And I hear you guys think, well, you know, Socks, isn't that kind of dumb of you? Don't you live in the Netherlands where it rains quite often? And to that I say, you're absolutely right. It might not be the smartest move, but it's the easiest move, and I'm also very lazy. So, you know, I just So, you know, I just kind of want to try it out, and if I break it, well, it's gonna be an expensive break, you know. But I'm also Dutch, aka stubborn, so I mean, I already have it, so why not use it, right? It came with the bundle, so there you go. Alright, so here we have the media mod. As you can see, there's a, I believe a shotgun microphone is how they call it on the front. And you also have a tiny one on the back right here. As you can see, I don't know how good you will see it, but here's the microphone port. Let's do a little bit like that. There's a type C USB right here somewhere. And there is HDMI out. To open it, it's just fairly simple. It's kind of hard to do. You have to pull this little thing right here pretty hard, and then you just click. Oh, I'm so scared I'll break it. You click it open and you will just slide your GoPro right in. So yeah, there we go. That's actually what I will use for my motovlogs from onwards. I technically haven't done the motovlog yet, but this is what I will be using for my first motovlog, which is upcoming very soon. Probably Saturday, because then we are going to get the new toy from the dealership. So that's pretty exciting actually. I'm probably going to mount everything on my helm now and yeah, show you guys how I will mount it. And yeah, bear with me. Thank you for actually watching, guys. I hope you guys still kind of enjoyed. Oh yeah, and we also have the screen protectors right here. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys are actually enjoying this. This next segment is going to start very, very soon. Let me actually grab my helmet downstairs and yeah, and then we will continue.
2,000 years later.
Well, after many hours of freaking trying, I guess this is this will have to do for now until I get my new mount. So yeah, it's really clunky, really big, but it's sturdy. So I hope it's not gonna fall off. Anyways, do us a little bit of testing, huh? Heavy on the left side.
Sweating. Hey, Sydney! Hello! What is the we going to do? We're going to do? Wow! It's a money! Zo, de bedaard! Wow! De bedaard! De money! Zo. Is het een snoeper? Een snoepje? Ja.